Welcome to Madagascar Professional Training Center. MPTC is working in partnership with the Rossdale Academy, the leading international high school in Ontario, Canada. MPTC offers the University Pathway Program, which ensures that students will receive an Ontario Secondary School Diploma, or OSSD, at the end of the program every year. Malagasy students that speak English will be at an advantage when they study in Canada. Why should you choose the Rossdale Academy? Rossdale's OSSD is prestigious and as good as obtaining an English secondary diploma. It is one of the top 5 secondary school diplomas in the world, which significantly improves students' chances of getting accepted to top universities or obtaining scholarships. 6 courses offered in English, perfect for Malagasy students who have a B2 level of English and want to perfect their English by doing their grade 12/university preparation courses in English. Standardized tests, such as the SATs or ACTs, are not required when you obtain the OSSD. Flexible format, where students will take 1 to 2 courses every 2 months, starting in September 2019. What about the University Pathway Program? What should you do? The admission criteria is as follows. You will need an English proficiency assessment and a grade point average of local international grade 11 courses. The duration is of 10 months, beginning in September 2019 to June 2020. The students have to complete 7 OSSD credit, which are 110 hours of instruction per credit. The required courses are as follows: English, Designing Your Future, Advanced Function, Calculus, and Vectors. And you can choose 3 of the following courses: Mathematics of Data Management, Business Leadership, International Business, Chemistry, Physics, and Biology. For the registration and tuition fee information, please contact MPTC Education. The registration is underway until August 2019, and it must be done in MPTC's office. Please note that the seats are limited, and it is based on a first-come, first-serve. For more information, please contact MPTC. You can visit our website at www.mptceducation.com or email us at contact@mptceducation.com, or you can call us at +261 2026 41 088